Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this nice owltron 2K4MP outdoor Wi-Fi surveillance camera. It's the Smart Cam 01 by owltron. owltron makes really cool systems about security and so more. And they looks good, they make a good job, and it comes with a good price. 2560 to 1440 pixels are possible. It's a PTZ Wi-Fi IP camera for outdoor use with automatic tracking function, personal detection, colored night vision, 355 degrees and 96 degrees swivel, two-way audio, and IP65 waterproof. That means you can attach it outdoor. It can go against every weather condition. This 4 megapixel HD image and Starlight Color night vision are included. That means 4 megapixel with 2560 to 1440 high resolution. This is much clearer than the 1080p version to ensure us that we can see ultra clear details during the day and the night. The outdoor security camera supports Starlight, Color, Full Color, Smart, Infrared, and Night Vision. You see, it's really easy to make a setup. We can be sure that objects can be clearly monitored within 33 feet. It's giving us the best night vision experience with that device. And smart detection and automatic tracking. With the artificial intelligent motion tracking, the security camera automatically starts to capture and track objects in motion. It also tracks the moving target automatically and keep an eye on suspicious activities for us. The outdoor security camera is designed with a vertical rotation of 96 degrees and a horizontal rotation of 355 degrees. We can remotely control the security camera to monitor all around without blind spots. It is a good choice to protect the safety of our property and family. And we have two-way audio and IP65 waterproof certification. The owltron home security camera here, with a built-in microphone and speaker, can establish a real-time conversation between us and our visitors. The PCT waterproof camera can resist bad weather and have a good outdoor working performance. And it's really easy to install, and it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. But if you have a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network at home, no problem. Every router which comes with a 5 GHz network can handle a 2.42. This PTC camera supports live view on our mobile phone by downloading the free app owltron, owltron. We can insert an SD card up to 128 GB micro SD card to save the recordings, or we buy cloud storage. We can choose what we like. Wireless outdoor security camera, really cool. Supports human frame function to accurately locate each person. We can buy SD card or cloud for storing videos, or we can make a live video by using the app. This is possible. We have a built-in PTC function. We can rotate the camera to monitor every corner of our home. Everything could be done on our phone with the app. Really cool. We have two-way audio recording, 2K, full HD crystal image quality, an app to control all cameras, if you have more than one, an app to control the front door, the backyard, the interior, the side yard, and the garage, for example. No problem. You can add them there, and then you can capture it. When something moves, our phone will receive an instant alert message with an image, so we can know who is there without opening the app. We can also set the siren to automatically turn on to scare away unwanted animals or visitors. It's a home security camera system. We can share the camera with our family. All of the family members can see the camera on the phone at the same time. If we like that, we can make a big family thing with that camera system here. It's really cool to use it because we will get everything what we need. We will get a camera, we get 4 screws, a pin for wall anchors, a power adapter, because we will need a power supply with this camera system here, okay? Then we go to install it, or maybe first you should make an setup with a camera. Do download first the owltron app and register an account on the app via an email. We power on the camera and make sure that our mobile phone is already connected to a Wi-Fi network, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, okay? We open the owltron app, then we click on plus or add device. Then the button on the home page, of course. Then we click to the cam 01 and then we check and confirm the camera status. Then we click next. Of course, the power supply of the camera has to be done. We align the QR code, which is generated on the phone screen with the camera lens to scan. We keep a distance of 15 up to 20 centimeters. After hearing the beep sound, job's done, okay? Then we're waiting for the network configuration to be successfully. And then we can enjoy our camera system. Then we can choose the cloud storage, for example, or we can install a micro SD card storage. Or, of course, we use the smartphone with the app to record this live video and live pictures and so on with the app, and then we can save it on our smartphone. Really cool. Since 2021, owltron has remained steadfast in the simple yet powerful goal to make safety visible, driven by the mission to offer every family an affordable sense of safety. They specialized in producing and selling high-quality smart home devices and security camera design to help families feel safe and secure. Headquarters in Hong Kong, but serving clients throughout the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Germany too. They are passionate about offering premium home security cameras and smart devices that help people like us protect what they care about most. And this is our home, or isn't it? And owltron makes safety visible for everyone. Whenever we are looking for a home security camera to protect that matters most, or a charity organization helping those who need it the most, owltron is committed to making safety visible for everyone. Through their dedicated quality materials and affordable pricing, they are proud to offer us a sense of security and peace of mind for our family worldwide. That's really cool because owltron is right. It's really right. They brings a good price and a good product for us. It helps us to secure everything at home. This is the owltron 2K4MP outdoor Wi-Fi surveillance camera with 2560 to 1440 pixels. It's a PTZ Wi-Fi IP camera for outdoor use with automatic tracking functions, personal detection, colored night vision, and 355 to 96 degrees swivel, two-way audio, and it's IP65 waterproof. Well. Nice camera system, I think. Now we can hear the sound quality of the device. That means if someone stands outside, for example, and you are talking to him, you can hear him by your app. Easy. That's a really cool camera system with a good picture and nice tracking artificial intelligence setup. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.